Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your computing class. So, in today's class, we will be starting with a new topic that is related to the history. Okay. So, before starting that, I want you to tell me that how many of you love the history subject? Yes. How many of you love history? Raise your hand. Well, nobody. Well, I also personally don't like history subject, but still we are supposed to learn history, and history is basically about the past, that how things were in the past, and it also tells us so that we can make a comparison between the past and the present, that how things were in the times before and how they are now. Through that we also get the idea about the advancements, about the developments. So that is why history is important, right? Okay. Now in today's class we will learn about, the topic name is toys from the past. So we will together learn what types of toys children play with in the past time. The children in the past time, they do not have remote control cars, they do not have the gadgets like you, the tablets, the mobile phones, the laptops. They do not have all of these things. So what type of toys do they play, right? So first, tell me that who is an archaeologist? Yes. Can anybody define an archaeologist? An archaeologist is a person who finds out about the past by digging up things people have made. There are a lot of historical places in Pakistan, especially in Sindh. And how many of you have visited any museum? We do have Lok Virsa, a very famous one in Islamabad. How many of you have visited that? So there are a lot of historical things over there. There are coins, there are a lot of other things from the past. And how people have found out that by digging things, right? By digging. So the archaeologist, he has this job that he dig, and by digging up he finds certain things which are from the past. Then these things are being reserved in the museums so that people come to know about how does their history looks like, or what were the things that belong to their history. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen with you and I'll show you some of the toys that children play with in the past. As I have told you that the children in the past, they do not have the toy collection like you. They do not have this much advanced technologies. They do not have, people at that time do not have a lot of money as well, so that they can buy toys for their kids. So at that time children play with very normal toys. Let's say we do have skipping. If I talk about my childhood, we do have skipping. We play badminton. We play with elastic. There was this game that we played. Then we make a there was this stopu on the ground that we made, and then we play. There was this stop and then stop, right? There was a lot of running games. So these were the common games that we do, that we play together. We do not spend the whole day in front of the screen playing the video games, but nowadays children are not involved in any type of physical activity. This is the reason they are having eyesight issues and other diseases as well, right? So I recommend you to please go outside. If there is any park closer to your house, that is great. If not, still you can go outside and you can play something like the football, badminton, cricket, so that it boosts you up, right? And it keeps you fit. Okay, over here we have some toys from the past. These are some of the things that children play in the past, right? So and these are the toys which are being found by digging. Archaeologists have find out these are all wooden made, right? So yes, so can you see that in all of these toys, can you see anything which you use nowadays? No, they're not familiar to you, right? They're all new. So why they are new? Yes, right? So all of these were the toys that we play with in our time, or that your parents play with, or your aunts uncle play with. So these are not familiar with you, right? I want all of you to please open your book, page number 86. This is page number 86. Let's see what is written over here, okay? They say that imagine you are an archaeologist. So, an archaeologist is a person who finds out about the past by digging up things people have made. They go on digs to find old things. Over here, there is an image. See, he's an archaeologist. He keeps on digging, and then when they found something, they mention it. They keep the record of it as well. If you have visited any museum, you might have seen that over there things are placed, and the dates are also mentioned, that at which era it belonged to and when it was find out, right? So they also keep a record of that things as well. So see, here is an archaeologist. He is in some historical place, and he's trying to find something. Over here there is another person. He is also trying to find out something, right? So these two are the archaeologists. Over here, we have a student, and he has also visited some historical place. He has gathered something by digging up, and now he is trying to find out something, right? So, what is your class activity? First, you will search for the different types of toys from the past from the Google, right? You will write down their names, and the second activity is, just suppose that you are an archaeologist, you were digging up at some place, and then you find out something. What you will do, right? Imagine you find out something, what you will do. Will you keep it with yourself? Will you give it to a museum, or what? Yes, just think about it. First, search for the different toys on the internet. You know how to search. For the first step would be that you will open up the browser, whatever browser you have. Then in the search section, you will type toys from the past, right? Use the keywords for the searching. Then there will open a lot of searches for you, right? It will open a lot of web pages for you. Click on the one, then find and write their names. Hurry up, start working. Let me know when you are done. Yes, show it to me. Very good, excellent. Okay, what else? So what are the types of toys that you have find? Okay, what else? Can you tell their names as well? Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, class. So that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Your home assignment is that you will be searching for the types of traveling modes or types of transportations that people used in the past and that people use now. You are supposed to make a comparison of that. Make a table. On one side write the modes of transportation used in the past, and on one side used now, and then bring it to the next class. Share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.